Well, now everybody's watching. I can see myself.
Go.
I look so pretty.
Go. Go, drink it already.
You just... You seriously want me to drink it?
Yeah, drink it, drink it.
Oh, I can't drink it. How much salt did you put in there?
A lot.
Stop.
You have to drink the whole thing. Chris, you gotta drink the whole
Hey, it's in
thing.
Stockholm.
No, you gotta drink the whole thing.
That's disgusting. I'm not gonna drink that.
You gotta drink the whole thing. Come on.
Do you realize how much this is?
No, just do it.
Okay, don't drink it all. Just drink.
It's so salty.
Alright, just go. That's making it worse. That's just making it worse.
Oh.
This is too much.
Oh, hurry up. Oh my god, dude.
No, there's nothing left.
Go.
This is still a lot.
No, just lick it off. Get your whole finger and just whip it all off.
Then
Yeah.
Go down easier.
Okay, no, like I'm getting all sick now.
You're right.
Okay.
Come on, Chris, you can do it. Oh, she's doing it. Go.
Factor.
Go.
I'm gonna throw up.
No, just go. I'm already like filming so long.
Oh.
Hurry up.
She's gonna burn. Like Madison, just get it over.
Come on. Do it.
Oh.
Come on.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Fear factor.
Oh. That's a true.